Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin, Crypto.com, CRO COIN, take a look at the overall market, and give you guys my opinion on where I think we could be headed here. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. So guys, right now I want to show you, I put a tweet out yesterday after the news of Binance reaching over 200 million users, and I was curious to figure out and hear out the Crow fam and the community and know what you guys are thinking about this, because I said over on Twitter, what will happen in the next 5 years? Crow versus BNB. Will the Crow fam be able to surpass Binance in users? I was very curious to know what the general consensus is when it comes to that. And well, I did see a lot of mixed emotions, but a lot of people seem to think no. And I will say, I kind of agree with that, but I will say that I'm not going to write Crypto.com off. I think that there is a chance and a world where they not only compete at a very similar level. I mean, guys, let's be honest. Crypto.com is over 100 million users already. It's still nothing to scoff at all. But 200 million users is double. I do see a world where Crypto.com can compete with Binance, especially since Binance got removed from the United States. It's very interesting and fascinating to think about. But, all in all, everyone is pretty bearish on the idea of Crypto.com achieving Binance's level, but I really want to emphasize, I think that there is a possibility that we can reach that level. But when it comes to CRO COIN versus Binance Coin, BNB, that's a whole nother ball game, guys, because in my opinion, I don't think that Crypto.com pushes CRO COIN, and it's a shame, to be honest. We're going to take a look at the CRO COIN chart here shortly. I'm going to give you guys my opinion. Where I think we're headed with it. But, yesterday we compared it to Binance breaking an all-time high. We did see a little bit of a sell-off yesterday, but we'll take a look at that. So without further ado, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's take a look at the overall markets. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at $69,786. We are getting a little bit of a bounce. We came down from 72,000 a couple days ago. We're basically trading sideways here. We're chopping around, guys. Bitcoin dominance, however, 53.92%. When you exclude stablecoins, basically 56%, which is pretty interesting to see that. We're starting to see that slow, steady climb back up to 57-60% level. And like I've been saying, guys, when we do get that larger move to the upside with Bitcoin, I do expect it to absorb a lot of liquidity and break above that 60% Bitcoin dominance level. So pay close attention to that. But I am thinking right now that we are looking pretty set up here for a potential little bounce here. And I actually will go over on Femex and put a little long in on Pepe, because I think that there's probably a good chance to be buying in here. I'm not going to do anything crazy. If you want to join me as well opening a trade, all you have to do is go below the video here and click in the description box. We have a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex if you want to long and short with me as well. Please leverage trade at your own risk. But I'm going to open up a little long here, just nothing crazy. I'm just going to mark it long. We're going to do 2x leverage, and we'll do, say, 25%, and we'll open a long. Change the prices. Yeah, we're going to open up a little long on Pepe. I think we'll probably see a nice bounce here. And like I said, if you want to follow along, please go below this video. Let's go. I'll show you the affiliate link. You can go below any of our videos in the description box, and we have this Femex link right here. You get a free $4,100 sign-on bonus when you click it. Deposit, trade a little bit, lots of free money. But yeah, just open that up. I think that it's an appropriate time to see a little bit of a bounce here, especially when it comes to the overall market, looking at Bitcoin making a little move to closer to 70,000. And we're going to take a closer look at these charts shortly as well. But you got to strike while the iron's hot, guys, when you think that there's a good chance at making a little bit of money, a little tiny trade. And I do want to take a look at CRO COIN chart and Bitcoin and give you guys my opinion on where I think we're headed. But without further ado, I want to show you guys. Over on Instagram, I broke 300 followers. I said that on Monday, so tomorrow I will announce the winner. So for the rest of today, I'll let you guys follow as well. So if any of you guys follow me, I'll pick one of the winners, and I'll give you guys $300 worth of crypto, whether it be CRO, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you guys want. And yesterday I did show a little tribute to the CRO family. I bought about $10,000 worth of CRO and just see what happens. I bought a little bit before it took a big dump, and I bought some after the dump, so I averaged out a little bit. But just a little tribute to the and support to the Cronos ecosystem. So let's take a look at CRO. Let's take a look at CRO, because CRO right now doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. You know, we're looking over the weekly right here. We're starting to really start to dip down to this 10-cent price level. And in my opinion, if we do break below that 10 cents, 8 cents will be right around the corner, in my opinion. And you know, CRO Coin's going to trade sideways, guys. CRO Coin is going to trade down to the right a little bit, especially if my thesis is correct and we do see Bitcoin make that impulse wave to the upside and absorb a lot of that altcoin liquidity and Bitcoin dominance, make that 60% price level. And if that does happen, then CRO Coin probably suffers for a little bit. You know, I keep saying CRO Coin is starting to get some curvature to the upside. We want to see stair step up, up, stair step, up, stair step. We want to see that. We do not want to see that, because if we see that, well, the bull market is probably close to being over. I know I said it. But it's just the truth, in my opinion. Over on Bitcoin right now, trading above 69,000 is nice. But guys, let's be honest here. We are just sideways chopping it up. We are in a chop market, and that's okay. That's okay, because the longer we trade sideways here, the higher the Bitcoin price is going to go this bull market, and the longer the Bitcoin bull market will last. It's important to remember that, guys, because if we do get this bounce here, you know, it's very similar to CRO Coin. There's a lot of similarities here. If we make this breakout to the upside sooner than later, well, then we probably go, sure, we maybe go to 82,000. That's my price target, but it probably will be a much shorter bull market. And it'll catch a lot of people off guard, and it will probably hurt a lot of people. So just something to keep in mind. But I am seeing a lot of bullish things. We're looking at the daily. The weekly, it looks pretty good. Seeing the green dot buy signal on Market Cipher. Would like to see a little bit more velocity to the upside with this momentum wave, and to get a little bit over the 60. But like I said, guys, if we're trading sideways, it's just going to set us up for a longer bull market with higher price targets. And if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. That's all I really got for you today. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let me know what you think. Do you think Binance and CRO Coin, do you think CRO Coin will ever achieve Binance? I know I made a video about that yesterday, but you know, I've just been thinking about it a lot, and I'm curious on what you guys think about that. Let me know in the comment section below. And like I also said, if you want to open a trade, let's see if the trade got filled. I did also open a little Jupiter long as well, because I like Jupiter. But yeah, if you want to follow along on Femex with me and get some free money, free bonus money, all you have to do is go below this video in the description box, click our Femex link, sign up, trade, deposit, get to claim some bonus money. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.